Are you looking for the ECOVACS Deebot OZMO T5 robot vacuum and mop? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: vacuums and mops. Since this robot vacuum is also a robot mop, it doesn't just vacuum your floors, it mops them. To accomplish this function, it relies on a 240 ml water tank, a carpet detection system, and a small opening that water can come through that is located right underneath the robot vacuum. What makes this robot vacuum robot mop such an excellent tool is the fact that it offers an exceptionally thorough and effective floor cleaning process. By using this device, you can clean your floors in a nearly effortless manner, that of automating the process, and the vacuuming and mopping functions ensure that they are as clean as they can be. Effective mopping. It consists of a 240 ml water tank, a carpet detection system, and an opening for water to come through. Each of those three facets is very useful at allowing this device to move across your floors and to mop them in the most thorough. As this robot vacuum robot mop moves across your floors, small amounts of water will be splashed onto your floor. All of this water will be used to scrub and remove the dirt, grime, and stains that are on your floors. Thorough vacuuming. While the mopping system is quite effective, what makes this device truly worth the money is its vacuuming system. By using this vacuuming system, you are able to easily and effortlessly remove the dirt, dust, and debris from all of the floors in your home. Superb navigation technology. While using the smartphone app that this device works with, you can access a map of your entire home. On this map, you can see where the device is and what it has cleaned. What is especially nice, though, is that you can choose specific rooms and spaces for the device to clean. That way, if you want it to thoroughly mop and vacuum one particular room, you can tell it do so. But, along with that, you can also set particular spaces for it to ignore, so that way it won't go into those spaces and clean them. Pros: automatic carpet detection protects rugs from wet cleaning. Multi-floor mapping capabilities. Cons: not great at spot cleaning. At 3.7 inches, not fit under low furniture.